Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about operations with complex numbers, and we're going to simplify it. So, if I was given this, 7i times 3i times negative 8 minus 6i. Now, since we see the 3i out front, we think instantly, oh, I should just distribute it across. Well, I'm actually going to multiply the 7i times 3i first. That's going to be my first step, okay? So 7 times 3 is 21, and I times I is I squared. So we have 21i squared here. Then we have a negative 8 minus 6i inside the parentheses. Well, I squared we know is a negative 1. We need to convert that. So we have 21 times a negative 1 times a negative 8 minus 6i. Well, 21 times negative 1 is a negative 21. So we have negative 21 out here times negative 8 minus 6i. Okay. So now we can distribute that negative 21 inside. Negative 21 times 8, which I'm going to do with my calculator here, negative 21 times a negative 8 comes out to be a positive 168. And we distribute the negative 21 times that negative 6i. So 21 times 6 is just a negative, or a positive, right? Negative 21 times a negative 6i is a positive 126i. And there we have it. Our final answer here is just 168 plus a 126i. So let's recap. We're given 7i times 3i times negative 8 minus 6i. Well, I multiplied first 7i times 3i to get 21i squared, which I squared became a negative 1, and then negative times 21 became a negative 21 out front. I brought down the negative 8 minus 6i the whole way. At this point, I distributed. Now, I could have distributed earlier if I wanted to make it more complex and multiply it a second time. I found it easier to simplify that outside part first before I distributed it in. So negative 21 times negative 8 was a positive 168, and negative 1 times the negative 6i was a positive 126i, giving me again my final answer of 168 plus 126i.